Diwali is traditionally known as the festival of lights. Even the name Diwali is derived from two words, Deep and Avli, which literally means rows of clay lamps. But Diwali is also a festival of bonding, of forming deep and long-lasting ties with family and friends. It's a festival of family tradition that's nurtured and followed religiously year after year. And this is what fosters family connection and gives a sense of belonging. One such family tradition that is very popular during Diwali is painting and lighting one's own diyas. Today I would be reviewing a product from the Craftopedia brand, which not only urges us to dive deep into the world of traditional art, but also to explore the era of values which we still uphold. And helping us review the kit today is our own drawing and painting enthusiast, RJ. Hi RJ, I heard you've been painting a lot of diyas to decorate your home for Diwali?
Yes, it's true.
Alright, how sweet is that? Would you be interested in unboxing this Craftopedia kit with us and helping us paint it up?
Yes, I would love to.
That's great, let's begin. Look at how beautiful this box is. If you notice, the brand name and product name is not mentioned on the box but added as a removable sleeve. This I believe is deliberate, since the idea is that you can complete the craft and gift it to your loved ones in the same box. Only when you look carefully on the bottom of the box can you see the name of Craftopedia mentioned in muted colors. I really think that's a brilliant idea by the brand to pitch the box as a gift box or as a memory keeping box.
This is what you see when you open the box. Right on top is an instruction booklet, and under that is the unpainted coaster made of MDF material. There are 4 bottles of weatherproof colors and a Lotus cast wrapped up in bubble sheet. When you carefully lift up the inner box, you will find a brush, a packet of sequins, a small bottle of glue and a tea light candle.
Overall, I love the packaging and the contents. There are 4 colors included in the set, and if you wish you can mix them and create new colors. They've also added a few photographs in the instruction manual that you can use as reference to color the coaster as well as the tea light holder. Wow, I'm really excited to begin. Wow, look at how beautifully these have turned out. So how was your experience painting this, RJ?
I really enjoyed myself.
And what are your plans for this? Are you planning to keep it for yourself or would you like to gift it to somebody?
I like to gift it to somebody.
Aha, that's a brilliant idea. And you can actually use this box that it came in because it's so pretty. It's a great gifting idea. We really think that this coaster and diya set from the Craftopedia brand will make a great Diwali gift. The outer box is extremely pretty and even the inner content is well thought and curated. You can either gift the entire box as it is or you can craft your own unique creation and gift those.
Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. If you like this video, then subscribe and give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to click the bell button to get notified each time we post a new video.